Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking in stability. Place your Klikbot on a flat surface and mount the camera or phone on a tripod. Once done, set the camera to manual so exposure stays constant. This prevents flicker between frames. You should pose Klikbot in your opening stance. Gently tighten joints so small nudges move predictably, and frame tightly so motion reads well. Make sure lighting is steady. Continuous LED is best, because consistent light is why your sequence will look smooth when played back. You now build the movement. Move Klikbot in small, repeatable increments, 2 to 5 millimeters or 1 to 2 degrees for joints, so motion reads naturally. Once you've shifted the pose, use a remote shutter or app to take the frame. This prevents camera shake and keeps alignment exact. Once in a while, play back the clip at a low frame rate so you can assess pacing, then refine the step size. Also, remember to keep scene elements static. A stray prop will break the illusion if it shifts. You finish by importing all frames into your editor and setting the playback speed, 12 FPS for choppy charm, 24 FPS for smoother action. Once there, align frames, apply minor stabilization if needed, and use exposure matching to remove flicker. Then add sound and cutaways for rhythm. If something looks off, stop. Isolate the bad sequence and reshoot only those frames rather than the whole shot. One key troubleshooting tip: if motion stutters, check for joint slop or changing light and correct those before reshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.